Welcome everybody to SyncApps Walkthrough Wednesday series. So I'm Joanna, I'll be your host for today. And for this week's Walkthrough Wednesdays, we will be talking about the Q4 or the fourth quarter of 2018 SyncApps Walkthrough Wednesdays recap. So firstly, I'd like to welcome you all, and for this week will be the last Walkthrough Wednesday that we will be hosting for 2018, but please be sure that we will be back by next year with even an even brand new Walkthrough Wednesdays for all of you, our valued and loyal subscribers. So firstly, I'd like to welcome all of the agenda that we'll be talking about for today's Walkthrough Wednesday. So firstly, we had the topmost Walkthrough Wednesday that we had throughout the fourth quarter of 2018, which was our SyncApps Q3 features announcement. And we have introduced our newest SyncApps, which is our NetSuite to Drip integration. Of course, our SyncApps No Limitations feature that is now available for all of our subscribers, even on our free trialers. Third, our NetSuite token-based authentication and how SyncApps recently supports NetSuite's TBA rollout for authentication usage. And of course, MailChimp's GDPR fields that you could definitely use and utilize by bidirectional mapping via SyncApps. Second, of course, I'll be talking about our top integration to date, which is our Salesforce integrations, particularly in Lightning Experience. So again, Lightning Experience, and as well as Salesforce charts and dashboard. So third, I'll also be showcasing a little bit about the Zoho CRM integrations on how you can integrate your Zoho CRM potentials, or known as deals as well, and your Zoho CRM list views, and how SyncApps support these two options for Zoho CRM integrations. Fourth, I'll also be talking about how you can empower your email marketing automation with SyncApps. First, with reasons why your email marketing strategy isn't working, and of course, some marketing tips and tricks in how you can successfully strategize your marketing even on a budget. And fifth, I'll also be talking about SyncApps integrations, which is our CRM to email marketing automation, which we have highly focused and highly showcased on the fourth quarter of 2018 with integrations such as NetSuite to Drip, NetSuite to Constant Contact, and Zoho to MailChimp. And last but definitely not the least, please stay tuned for a sneak peek of our new Navidar integrations, which will be up and coming on the last few weeks of 2018. So firstly, I'll be introducing you to our Q3 features announcement. So first we have the new SyncApps, which is of course our NetSuite to Drip integration. We have had a different Walkthrough Wednesday, particularly showcasing NetSuite to Drip and how you can easily set up your sync profile. It's all-in-one demo in that Walkthrough Wednesday for you, so please be sure to head over to our blog or to our Walkthrough Wednesday landing page, rather, to have more information in setting up your NetSuite and Drip integration. So again, our NetSuite to Drip is actually the #1 most requested integration for 2018, and we have rolled this out basically for our largest nonprofit subscriber, and as well as few small to medium-sized businesses that use Drip and NetSuite for their CRM and email marketing automations. So with this, we have supported NetSuite saved searches. This is actually one of our top features, that you can sync your contact, customer, or transaction saved search from NetSuite that will automatically be tagged or synced to Drip as a tag, and you can then send out your email marketing campaigns via Drip. So they have a beautiful user interface for that, so you can create your email marketing automations even more. You could interactive email marketing campaigns via Drip, which you can then sync back to NetSuite as a custom record, and your sales team in NetSuite will then be alerted or notified of the actions that is being done by your subscribers in your drip marketing campaigns. So another feature or another top feature that we also have for NetSuite is that we sync abandoned cart prospects from NetSuite to drip via transaction saved searches. So with this, we help you keep your marketing moving ahead by remarketing your brand or remarketing your product and your service to those subscribers that have abandoned cart or have abandoned products in their shopping cart in your suite commerce in NetSuite. So that is also one of the beauty or one of the top features that we highly showcase in our NetSuite integration. So definitely give our NetSuite and drip integration a try on how you can create your abandoned cart and your saved searches. So here I have a flowchart again on basically how the NetSuite and drip integration works. So let me just pull up my pointer here. So from NetSuite, you could increase your ROI by syncing your customer, your contacts, your transaction saved searches. And with the use of SyncApps field mapping, you could map as many fields as you'd like from both NetSuite and drip. And these go to your drip tags, wherein you can then create your interactive and very user interface email campaigns over in drip, wherein you could sync those back as a custom record in NetSuite. By custom record, the campaign metrics will be showcased in NetSuite, showing all of the opens, the clicks, the bounces, and especially the clicked URLs that your subscribers clicked on your drip marketing campaigns. So ultimately, your sales and your marketing team will be hand in hand. So you have an updated client database. Your sales team is updated on the activities that your subscribers liked or clicked from your email campaigns, and then you could analyze on the next steps on what you have to do and what your organization have to do to close more deals and boost your sales, ultimately increasing your ROI. So that is the beauty of our NetSuite to drip integration. Next, we have here a flowchart again for the NetSuite Suite Commerce Abandoned Cart and how SyncApps support that for your NetSuite to drip integration or any NetSuite integration for that matter. So let's say you have a customer that logged into your Suite Commerce or your e-commerce website. So they log in as a user and they add products to their shopping carts, but ultimately, while adding the products to the shopping cart, they abandon that, and that happens a lot, right? So people abandon their carts from your Suite Commerce, but with SyncApps, you could sync those people or those subscribers that have abandoned products in their shopping carts, so that you can get in touch with them again via your drip. So with the transaction saved search, you could definitely use and utilize our abandoned cart feature to send out your email campaigns to lost prospects or to lost subscribers in hopes that you will get a high rate of leading back your customers to shopping carts and basically checking out the products and ultimately increasing your sales and boosting your ROI for your e-commerce business. So that is also the one feature that SyncApps is very proud of in supporting NetSuite. So it's the abandoned cart feature. So for the second Q3 features that we have had rolled out in the third quarter of 2018 is the SyncApps No Limitations feature. So now you can limitless and seamless integration with SyncApps. So firstly, we allow you to migrate unlimited data from software A to software B, even if you're still on a free trial. So even on a free trial, you can test out thousands, hundreds, thousands, or even your lists from your software A to software B without any limits. This then concludes eliminating your manual error-prone and time-consuming tasks, as SyncApps will automatically do all of the heavy lifting for you. So you can set up unlimited number of records, so you can test out your entire list of database from any of your applications. So this would mean you could sync unlimited CRM campaigns, your tags, your marketing lists, saved searches, and you can even have unlimited 24/7 chat and phone support with our support rockstars. And last but not the least, our SyncApps No Limitations feature is also very proud to have fully packed enterprise features. So you get to try our enterprise features even on a free trial on a 14-day period. So third that we have rolled out for the Q3 of 2018 is NetSuite token-based authentication. So basically, token-based authentication allows you to generate a secure, revocable, non-expiring tokens for integration. So NetSuite just recently released TBA in their new API, and they strongly recommend it out for their high-level security. So with this, SyncApps and only SyncApps support NetSuite TBA, and you can use this authentication type for setting up your highly secure and NetSuite integration with SyncApps. So the benefits of using NetSuite TBA are as follows. So firstly, you will have no issues with password expiration. So goodbye to emails sending you notifications that your password from NetSuite is already expired and you need to upgrade it again and change it every few months. So no need for that. Of course, TBA is a two-factor authentication usage, which allows it to be more secure and more high-level security. And you can have up to 5 concurrent API requests. So the beauty of TBA is it is a 1 token per integration. So let's say you integrate NetSuite to MailChimp and you integrate NetSuite to Constant Contact. Those have 2 different tokens. So it's much more easier for you to manage your tokens for integration. So again, here is an example flowchart of using your NetSuite authentication type for the different applications that you integrate with NetSuite. So let's say you have NetSuite to Salesforce, that's 1 token, NetSuite to MailChimp, NetSuite to Drip, NetSuite to Klaviyo, and NetSuite to Constant Contact. So you have up to 5 concurrent API requests. So you can run your integration with 5 integrations or 5 applications concurrently, seamlessly with NetSuite, and of course now with SyncApps. So last but definitely not the least that we have rolled out for Q3 of 2018 is the MailChimp GDPR fields bidirectional mapping. So we are now proud to be the only integration platform that supports MailChimp GDPR compliance feature. So GDPR, or General Data Protection Regulation, is the new regulation that boasts a stronger data protection of European citizens. So compliance in GDPR is crucial as it gives you more control of your data, giving you more privacy and security, not only from your side, but as well as from your subscribers or your clients as well. So with SyncApps, as we now support GDPR fields for MailChimp integrations, you can bidirectionally map that in step 4 of your sync profile with our custom field mapping feature. So with that, your subscribers can choose which marketing elements they want to opt in. So it can be your newsletter, your advertising, your monthly updates, your blog updates, etc. So they have more control of their data, and from your side as well, you have more control of your data and more security and privacy of your data as well. So second, I would like to also feature our Salesforce integrations that we have showcased on the 4th quarter of 2018. So first, we have Salesforce Lightning Experience. So Salesforce Lightning Experience is actually the newest Salesforce user interface. So with this, what has changed and what hasn't changed with their newest Salesforce user interface? So firstly, the data model, processes, and automations stay the same. So there is no back-end difference between the classic Salesforce and the Lightning Salesforce. So what does change is that the look and feel of Salesforce is different, of course, with the page layouts, the click paths, and the user interface or the user experience is a much more different approach in Salesforce Lex. So Salesforce Classic still remains, but Salesforce has now rolled out another user interface, which is Salesforce Lightning, that can be available or that is available for all of our subscribers. And SyncApps also highly supports both Salesforce Classic and both Salesforce Lightning for your Salesforce integration. So in line with the Salesforce Lightning experience, they also have Salesforce charts and dashboards. So with the Salesforce charts and dashboards, you can visualize your key business metrics in real time using Lightning experience. So Salesforce charts and dashboards are more, for now it's much more customizable since you're in the Lightning experience, and they're more in the user experience and user interface in this interface that they have. So Salesforce charts and dashboard gives you powerful visibility of the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns. So you have the power to use reports and charts as starting points, modify, adjust, and enhance your strategies to meet the specific needs of your business and your subscribers. So with the help of Salesforce charts and dashboard, you can focus on the right reports that will help you analyze and improve any of your marketing campaigns. So that is the beauty of Salesforce Lightning, and of course with their charts and dashboards that is available for you in their Lightning experience or Salesforce Lex. Next, we also have Zoho CRM integrations. So firstly, we have Zoho CRM potentials. So you can win more deals and immediately boost your sales by integrating your Zoho CRM potentials via SyncApps. So potentials, are also known as deals, refer to the number of sales opportunities made from your CRM contacts. So basically, Zoho CRM potentials are considered the sales windows that you need to keep an eye for. You have basically potential status in Zoho, and with that, you could analyze and gather initial findings and what the next steps you should do in order to close your potential and convert them to a sales. And in any sales organization, potentials are the most important records to generate the real revenue for your organization. So there are advantages of utilizing Zoho CRM potentials. So you could create different segments in your email marketing automation. So with the potentials that you can map in step 1 of your sync profile, you could definitely use them and segment them into different lists in your email marketing automation, or even to different groups or tags. And with that, once you have segmented them into different lists, you can then send out targeted email campaigns based on your potential status. So for example, one potential is a hot potential or hot lead, then definitely you will need to add more email marketing campaigns to that so that you can close them out. Or for example, if you don't have any touch base with that potential, then you could start off with an onboarding series or onboarding email marketing campaign in your email marketing automation. And with those extra mile of effort with your email marketing automation, you get to close more deals, which ultimately boost your sales. So aside from Zoho CRM potentials, SyncApps also supports Zoho CRM list views. So a list view is basically a grouping of records that is based on a defined set of criteria. So basically, it's a filtering and segmentation done in your Zoho CRM account. So list views are highly beneficial for displaying customer-specific data that you set up in Zoho according to your business requirements. So you have two types of list views. One is the standard list view, wherein you can modify and sort the order of the columns in the list. However, you cannot delete these list views or the standard list views. The second type is the custom list view. So you can create, modify, and delete the custom views, and you can also sort out the order of the columns in the list. So this is how the Zoho CRM list views actually flow from Zoho to your email marketing automation. So if you have two lists, list A and list B, which are from your defined set of criteria from Zoho, you could sync those to Constant Contact as both list A and list B, to MailChimp as both group A and group B, or tag A and tag B. In Drip, it's also a tag. You could also sync that to Delivra or to any of your email marketing automation softwares that SyncApps supports for you. So fourth, we have empowering your email marketing automation with SyncApps. So firstly, I'd like to discuss with you or go over with you reasons as to why your email strategy or email marketing strategy is not working. So email marketing is actually considered as the top marketing channel with even up to 200% ROI increase based on studies. So first reason as to why your email marketing strategy isn't working is basically because you're leaving leads on the table. So with that, you're not penetrating to your leads enough, and you're not being in touch with your leads enough that you actually leave them on the table. So with that, your email marketing strategy, you could definitely boost or get in touch with your leads, with your potentials, or with your, all of those deals that you have even more further by integrating your records or by integrating your data, and also by setting an email marketing campaign in your email marketing automation so that your leads won't be left behind and you can close out your leads, potentially converting it to sales. Second, you are not GDPR compliant. So in this year's era, or currently, right, we have clients or subscribers that are very picky on the subscription lists that they want to receive from a certain organization. So with SyncApps, we now support MailChimp GDPR fields for mapping. So with that, you can then, your subscribers can then feel that they are secure and they are more, they have more control of their privacy and of course in their data that is getting, or that they have been getting from you and that you have been getting from them. So that is also one of the top features that you can use with SyncApps in order to bypass the GDPR compliance issue, or the reason for that. Thirdly, third and definitely not the least, last but not least, your customers are not managed efficiently. So there are customers that you need to send out targeted emails into. And with our filtering and segmentation feature, you can definitely manage your customers much more efficient and much more productive. So definitely give our filtering and segmentation a try, and how you can manage your customers or your client database much more efficient and much more productive. So here I have also some marketing strategies which you can definitely try if you are on a tight budget. So marketing for any business is actually considered highly vital and highly critical in business operations. So we believe that marketing or email marketing is a huge aspect that most businesses bring a lot of time and effort into. So of course, marketing is like a way to bring awareness about your business and products to consumers, correct? So with successful marketing, leads and sales just might come crashing through your roof. So I have here 5 marketing tips and tricks with the help of Adriana from idone.pro. So firstly, we have to choose the right digital marketing channel. So again, as I said earlier, email campaigns or email marketing automation is actually #1 on all of the digital marketing channels out there, and it can increase your ROI of up to 200%. Second, you will have to align your marketing goals to your business goals. So of course, with your strategies in marketing, it must be aligned to what your business is actually aiming for. Because if you don't have these two aligned, then definitely the success of your business and the success of your marketing and sales will definitely be left to crumble if those aren't aligned properly. Third, it's also important that you get to know your buyer persona. So again, it's really important to send out targeted email campaigns depending on your buyer persona in what he likes and what he doesn't like. So that is also one of the beauty with our filtering and segmentation feature, or with our GDPR field compliancy. So fourth, you also have to try low-cost marketing tactics and channels. This is very important, especially if you're in a very tight budget. As we are closing 2018 and opening 2019, this is also one of the important factors to also consider. And definitely, last but not the least, you have to also try integrating your marketing tools with an integration platform. So with SyncApps as your integration partner, we help you save your time and we eliminate manual, error-prone human interaction with your database and of course with your email marketing automation. So let SyncApps do all of the hard work for you. So here I have basically just a simple flowchart on our SyncApps integrations, which are mainly CRM to email marketing automations. So for the fourth quarter of 2018, we have focused on NetSuite and Drip integration. We have Zoho CRM to MailChimp and NetSuite to Constant Contact, as well as we have also inserted some Salesforce integrations to Q4 as well. So basically how our CRM and email marketing automation works in a nutshell is that it's a 4-step easy process. So first, from your CRM, we sync your contacts, leads, or accounts. That's just for the basic record type, but we could also sync your customers, your campaigns, your tags, all of those marketing lists, marketing initiatives, to your email marketing automation app. So your contacts or your records from your CRM are automatically synced to your lists or groups in your, or even tags in your email marketing automation. And with that, you could send out your email campaigns to your lists, wherein you could sync back your campaign metrics to your CRM. So ultimately, SyncApps give you a unified data or unified integration between your CRM and email marketing automation. So it's a very good cycle, and once you have set it up, you can forget about it and let SyncApps do all of the hard work for you. So here we have now, are in our exclusive sneak peek just for you guys on our Navatar integrations. So our Navatar integrations are definitely coming your way, as by the end of 2018, by the end of the year, our development team has a special gift for you, wherein we will be rolling out not only one Navatar integration, but 2 Navatar integrations. So firstly, we have our Navatar to Constant Contact. So from Navatar, it's basically a Salesforce, it's a CRM on top of Salesforce platform that is highly used for nonprofit organizations or small to medium-sized businesses. So in here, you could have, or you could sync your marketing initiatives from Navatar, sync those over via SyncApps to your contact or lead sync profile, and these could go over to your Constant Contact lists. So with that, you could now sync your Navatar to Constant Contact seamlessly and limitlessly with SyncApps. And aside from our Navatar to Constant Contact integration, we also have our Navatar to MailChimp integration that will be rolling out by the end of 2018 as well. So in this one, you could sync your Navatar marketing initiatives via your contact or lead sync profile in SyncApps, and these could be synced over to your MailChimp groups under your MailChimp list, wherein you can send out your targeted email campaigns in a very unique and user-friendly email marketing automation or email marketing campaigns via MailChimp. And these could go, your campaign metrics, again, could be synced over from your email marketing automation back to Navatar. So you have a unified view of your CRM and email marketing automation integration with SyncApps. So I suggest that you keep an eye out for our Walkthrough Wednesdays featuring our brand new integrations by first quarter of 2019. So please stay updated for our Navatar to Constant Contact and Navatar to MailChimp Walkthrough Wednesdays by next year, 2019. So with that, I believe that this concludes our Walkthrough Wednesdays series for today and our last Walkthrough Wednesdays for the year. But no worries, as we will be definitely back by January next year, wherein we'll be featuring more integrations and topics for your integrations with SyncApps. So be sure to please stay updated with us. Also, we would like to thank our guest speakers who have graced their presence with us throughout our Walkthrough Wednesdays, not just for the fourth quarter of 2018, but for the whole year of 2018. And in behalf of SyncApps, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all of you, our guest speakers, our attendees, our valued subscribers, for being with us in our Walkthrough Wednesdays, and for your undying support and patronage of SyncApps. So we hope that you have a wonderful holiday ahead, and we hope that you will join us again next time by next year. So remember, if you need a personal dedicated demo with one of our sales engineers, you can always schedule a time most convenient for you at www.cazoomi.com/services. And for inquiries, you can always reach out to our 24/7 support team at support@cazoomi.com. Goodbye and have a good day ahead.